How to make document of photos in iPhone. Subscribe for more quick tips. First, open Photos on your phone. Now select the photo you want to make documents. Then tap on Share at the bottom left. Select Print. At the bottom, tap and hold on a photo. Then tap on the photo again. Tap on Share icon at the bottom right. Now select Save to Files. Now save this file on your phone. Follow the same process for the second photo. When you are done, go to the Files app on your phone. Open the folder where the files are saved. Here are the files I just saved. Open it. Then tap on I button at the bottom. See, the image is saved in PDF format. And that's it.